Hey hotel hoppers, welcome to another episode. Today we are in Italy, Venice, in Hyatt Centric Murano, and in this dark hallway, if you want to go to the rooms, like this Deluxe King Room, take your phone so there will be a bit of light, or like use the camera light to check in. For example, this room 305, which is one of the King Deluxe rooms. Come on in. So, I think many rooms in Venice are smaller, but at least the cool thing about Murano is it's a bit bigger. It's not in the main part. And this King Deluxe room is spacious enough. There is like an open closet, some drawers and things, a seating area. This time they also gave us some welcome amenities, which is nice. TV, space for your luggage. Here we have also mini bar and tea and coffee making options. Safe inside the mini bar. I put some snacks and drinks. And what's really nice is like I have got a bit of cold actually from the Norwegian trip. So they have chamomile tea. That's something I was missing in the previous days in the hotels and airport lounges. Here is the working desk, and we can see a bit of some kind of construction zone and another building nearby, and it looks like a church tower. Something to say that most of the rooms in this hotel don't have view. I think there are only two categories, which is junior suite with a canal view, which you can't get free upgrade if you are Hyatt Globalist or Explorers. And then they have also like Grand Suite. Only two categories have canal views. This deluxe room at least have something view on the third floor, and most of the rooms have in the courtyard. The bed itself is big, nice king bed, charging points of European style on both sides. It seems like feather pillows, which is nice. I forgot to mention that there is also Lavazza coffee machine with 4 capsules and some milk. And if you want to get extra capsules, they're selling them €3 extra. What else? The bathroom has both this kind of bidet with extra bidet towels and the normal toilet. Single sink, and they have amenities I haven't seen for a very long time. I remember one hotel before, but Be Kind. It's like they're using bee pollen, which is something I haven't seen for a few years. And the shower booth has a rainforest shower and the handheld shower. Although the handheld shower has just one disposition, which is kind of like strange, that I would put an extra handle over there as well. Yep. And what's also really nice is like this hotel, based on availability, is offering a free shuttle with a boat to and from the airport. So if you are flying into Venice and you are lucky enough with the availability, then you might get a free ride. We just got a nice ride on a small boat directly from the airport to the hotel. So definitely, I think this is one of the nicest on-arrival experiences and free complimentary airport shuttles that I can remember. I hope you enjoyed this tour here at the Hyatt Centric Murano in Italy, and the tour of this King Deluxe room If you have extra questions regarding this room or the hotel, you can put it in the comments below. We're happy to get back to you. And if you want to see other reviews of hotels beyond Venice, check out the previous reviews at the Hotel Hoppers channel. And if you want to stay up to date of all the next places we visit, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done it already, and you'll be the first one to be notified of all the next places we are visiting as well. Thank you for watching this episode, and see you soon again in a new place, in a new room or suite.